So this time ito naman yung ating slit lamp. This one is from Takagi. Model is 700 GL. Ano siya? Isa siyang LED slit lamp. Yung hog strike type, or meaning yung illumination nasa taas, or tower type. And ito is 5 steps na yung magnification. So makita natin dyan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. So depending po kung anong gusto nung doctor. And ito po, something na unique. Aside sa main illumination, meron tayong background illumination. So let's say, si doc gusto niya makita yung mata ng patient. Usually, pag walang background, slit lang nakikita niya na nailawan yung mata. So ngayon, since may background ka, makikita na ni doctor yung buong surface ng mata. This one is ideal lalo pag may camera na yung slit lamp. Kasi sa future, halimbawa si doc gusto niya may camera, dito lang nilalagay. So may camera ang Takagi, we call it. If I'm not mistaken, iCam. Pero may paparating na rin na bago na record yung tawagin. So, halimbawa, gagamitin na ni doc yung machine. So, ito po, once na nakasaksak naman, automatic, na naka-turn on na yung table. Yan, of course, double check lang natin. This one kasi is for locking. So, i-unlock lang natin para ma-move natin. Illumination. This one po is for the slit length. So, ma-adjust mo yung slit from 1 to 14 continuously. Ito filter, halimbawa, doc, nag-ano si doc, what do you call this? Yung sa tonometer. So, para continuous si doc, papansin mo, pag naka-blue, color blue na yung ating ilaw. Yan o. Yan, para pag mag-ano na si doc ng tonometer, color blue na yung ilaw natin. So, yung tonometer naman natin is nasa swing. So, you can swing it up and down. Forward or sa side muna. While this one is an external fixation light. To turn it on, click mo lang natin to. So, ang kagandahan nito, masasave mo yung lifespan ng bulb kasi others, lagi naka-turn on. Pero ito, you can turn it off, on and off easily. This one naman, meron tayo another knob para to sa width. So, halimbawa yan. If I want to adjust. Yan, papansin mo lumalaki yung width. If I want to go back yung sa normal na mga ito yung mga parang steps niya, no? Pero meron tayong continuous yan. Continuous ng slit height. Yan. This one yung filters. This one is yung white light. Ito is parang warm. So, hindi siya, less white siya. Ito yun yung yellow filter natin, green, and we still have the blue. So again, here, pag si doc gusto niya skip na yung agad, pagpalit ng filter, you can use the slit width, slit length. Okay. This one naman is just used para natin, para ma-tilt forward or backward. Ito yung default position na. You can notice dito, yan. And this one, we have tayong diffuser. If gusto mo diffuse yung light, yan. So wala yung slit, no? And the rest yung knobs is to lock lang, no? So if you want it na parang stable, let's say, position mo siya or transfer natin, nilalock lang natin dito. And one more thing, halimbawa po, done na gamitin, usually, center lang po natin yung position, i-lock natin, and turn off, yan, para secured yung ating slit lamp. So, yun lang, basically, yun lang po yung operations nung slit lamp ng Takagi.